You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the app icon size on your Android phone. This setting is controlled by your phone's launcher, the app that manages your home screen. First, press and hold on an empty area of your home screen. This will open the home screen settings or wallpaper menu. Tap on Settings or the gear icon. Look for an option labeled Home Screen Grid, App Grid, or Icon Size. The exact wording depends on your phone's brand. For example, on Samsung phones, press and hold the home screen, tap Settings, then tap Home Screen Grid. You will see a grid of squares. A larger grid makes icons smaller, and a smaller grid makes icons larger. Select your preferred grid size. Some launchers have a separate icon size slider. If you use a third-party launcher like Nova Launcher, open its Settings app, go to Home Screen, and look for icon layout or icon size to adjust. On stock Android, the Pixel launcher may not allow icon size changes without a different launcher. Changing the grid size also affects how many icons fit on each row and column. After changing, your icons will resize automatically. You may need to rearrange them. This does not affect the icon size in the app drawer, only on the home screen. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.